Start your own window cleaning business. All right, guys, so I'm here. I'm about to finish the exterior windows. I've already did that side of the house. I did this side of the house. I did the exterior of the garage and the interior of these 3 garage doors. Now I got to move around to the other side of the house so that I can do that last side of the house. I want to get off the driveway, and I don't want to have to run my hose all the way around the house. Been here a couple times to this client's property. To be honest with you, I don't like doing those garage doors. This house has a lot of like those inside that garage right there. It has a lot of window paints, and the benefit is, honestly, the only reason why I do this house still is because I can actually clean the inside of the garage with my water fed pole. If I wasn't able to clean the inside of the garage with my water fed pole, I wouldn't do this house, honestly, because it goes on with me being selective and doing houses that I can do that are easy houses. I can get paid a lot of money for doing them. They're my type of client that I like to work for. They pay me good money to be here. They're not sitting here worried about the cost that Eddie's gonna charge me for cleaning their windows. And that's why I'm here. You know, that's honestly why I'm here cleaning their windows, because, you know, when you tell them $400 to clean the exterior windows and the inside of that garage, you know, they don't think twice about it. They're just like, okay, well, when can you do it? You know? Okay, I got here at 9:30. It's 10:36 right now. So how amazing is that, you guys? Like, honestly, if you ask me, it's pretty amazing to be able to make $400 in I'll be here for another 30 minutes or something. So it'd be, let's just say I even, because I still gotta double check everything, make sure there's no drips. 2 hours. 2 hours. So I'm gonna be here for about 2 hours, if that. I'm honestly thinking 2 hours. But I'm gonna make $400. How amazing is that? Start your own window cleaning business. You don't have to have the nicest truck out there. You don't need to have the nicest logo out there. You don't need to have the nicest equipment out there. Honestly, you guys make so much money doing, you know, looking normal, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not here trying to put on a big old show or anything like that. I'm just here to service my clients and get their referrals. You know what I mean? You work for a good client, get their friend. Ask your clients for their friends. Ask them. Seriously, that's how you guys continue the momentum of getting great clients. Once you find a great client, ask them to email their friends that live close by, or, you know, or in the area that you service, and you can get more good friends. And then once you get their good friends, you ask their good friends if they have any other friends that would like to refer you for quality window cleaning. You know, that's it. That's how you guys make money, window cleaning. I mainly only focus on exterior window cleaning. I don't like to go inside, but because I don't like to be dealing with people's stuff, moving stuff around on the inside, running the risk of dropping something. I like to be able to come in to their come on their property, whip my hose out, and water fed pull the whole exterior, get my money, and on to the next one. You know, I take care of my clients while I'm here, that's for sure. Because you guys just don't want to like get their money once, get their money every time they think about window cleaning. This client was referred to me by a client that I asked. I said, Mr. Williams, would you mind referring me to any of your close friends that live nearby that you think would appreciate my quality and services? And he's like, oh, sure, Eddie. And then boom, I think about a month later or something like that, they called me. Say, hey, Eddie, Mr. Williams, blah, blah, sent me over your contact information. He said you do a great job. And then bam, you know, he gave me this client. Then I asked them the same question. I said, hey, such and such, would you mind Fleming, Mr. Flemings, would you mind referring me to your close friends that you think would appreciate my services and quality? Sure, Eddie. Boom, boom, boom. So from Williams, I got this one client. This client's a great client. And from Flemings, I got 2 clients. So then the next guy, I go ahead and go over there and I ask him the same thing. And then I go to the other one, ask the same thing. So that's how you build. Let's say, for example, if you're over here servicing like dirty, filthy, awful, ugly houses that nobody takes care of and they neglected it, and the windows look like, you know, trash and all that stuff, like, you don't really want to be asking them for a referral to their friends. You want to get great clients and you want to start feeding off of their contacts. That's what you guys want to do. That's that's one of the ways I grew my business to be a successful business. I don't advertise. I don't have any flyers. Everything is word of mouth with high paying clients that don't want to deal with nobody's drama, don't want to deal with anybody's nonsense, who knows what they're doing. Come out here, get it done, get paid, I'll call you back. That's it. That's why I say you guys want to strive for presenting yourself well. Honestly, even if you guys want to do it like this, let's say if I was just starting out my business, I would find a nice high-end area, and what I would do is I would knock on the door and I would tell them, I own a window cleaning business and I'm trying to establish myself down here. Would you be willing to allow me to clean your exterior windows in exchange for a 5-star review on Google? You know what I mean? Honestly, like, as long as you look presentable, most likely will allow you to clean their exterior windows. They're going to give you a 5-star review, and they're probably most likely going to give you a donation. That's what I would do, honestly, because you guys got to get enough reviews. You guys got to dominate the Google game. I personally don't like Yelp. I would focus on Google. I would totally focus all my energy and efforts into Google reviews. You know, do whatever you got to do to get your 5-star reviews on Google. Google's not going to delete them like Yelp would. They're not going to not recommend them like Yelp would. Don't focus on Yelp anymore, you guys. Focus on Google. You know what I mean? Unless you're advertising on Yelp, you're not going to be seen, honestly. Just look at your analytics. And that's what you guys, you know, in my suggestions, you guys want to be known for too. Easy to deal with, delivers quality, great service, and all that good stuff. That's going to help you guys make more money. But you guys got to be working for the right type of people. Can't be over here working on run-down homes or run-down apartment complexes, or, you know, you guys got to be working for people who got money, who are already established financially and are willing and able to afford your services and pay you for your services, your premium services. You know what I mean? Don't just come over here. Don't just come over here and you know, charge like $200-300. No, you guys are not gonna. That's not good, you guys, because, you know, I charged that guy $400 for what I just did at his house. He gave me a $50 tip, so it's $450. You know what I mean? He ain't gonna think about it again. You know, that's it. He just gave me the, he reached in his pocket, gave me $450 total, and he ain't gonna think about it again. He feels good that I came over and serviced his windows. You know, later in the afternoon when he comes home and he relaxes, or later this evening, you know, he's gonna be looking out his windows and be like, wow, I wish Eddie could have done the inside, but it is what it is right now with this whole situation going on. But the outside looked nice. I had asked him, I was like, oh sir, like, and I always tell my clients this, make sure you tell your clients this, my suggestion for you guys. If you see anything, any like streaks or anything that I possibly have missed, you know, this week, just give me a call back, let me know. I'd be more than happy to come back and fix any, re-clean any windows or clean the window if I, by chance, like, didn't clean it. I apologize. You know, just tell them something like that, for that they know that you care, that you're willing to stand behind your services, your reputation, you know what I mean, all that good stuff, so that they can have more certainty with you. Like, well, if Eddie did forget a window, or if I do see a streak that, you know, for some whatever reason is there, Eddie will come back and fix it. And, you know, Eddie's not gonna give me a problem or have a bad attitude when he has to show up, you know, that type of thing. You guys want to create that certainty for your clients, because if something does occur, that they have confidence in you and your ability to come back and handle it promptly. That's providing great customer service, great client service, and that's what you guys want to be known for. Have I forgotten clean a window in the past? Yeah, of course I have. You know, have I left a big nasty ugly streak on the window, like their main window? Of course I have. Like, it happens for me sometimes, and I try not to make it happen. And that's why I also try to I always make sure I give it another round, another go around, to see, like, make sure everything is nice and clean. After I water fed pull all the windows, I go ahead and I double check everything to make sure that everything looks good. Everything's 110%. You know, when I clean those garage door windows, everything drips to the bottom. I got to clean, you know, the drips that drip from the seal that are on the garage door on the bottom that doesn't have windows. You know, you got to clean everything. You got to wipe everything down, you know, just for that when he looks at it, it looks nice and clean and he's happy about it. You know what I mean? So those are my suggestions for you guys. I hope this helps somebody. Please share this video. Please like and also subscribe to this YouTube channel, for I can get rich. You know what I mean? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I don't know if I'm the only person that laughs at my own jokes. You know what I mean? I'm that guy. You know what I mean? All right, guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Start your window cleaning business. Make some money.